Hello, it's day one of OFC 2026, and we're very excited as Five Systems to be here today with Go Foton. And I introduce Dr. David Chen, who is the CTO of Go Photons, that's been here nearly 10 years and has a really illustrious career. A fellow, worked at Verizon for a long time, and he is here for you to tell us all about what we're seeing at the show. So, David, it's this sector. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is, what it does, and why you're so excited about it?
Oh, thank you, Mark. This is it's an invention, and that carries not only the Go spirit, and also industry spirit for the innovation. EKO is a network equipment which should touch the entire optic precision network, and which is the port management, the hardware, the pushing, the port engagements. Inside has the cap. That cap is not cap the signal, rather it cap the noise. Just like somebody about to put the pulse, put a thing on your arm to feel your pulse, no disruption. Yeah, and then this is also just the signal that it converts the signal noise into the main line power bi-direction at the same time. Also, we use the hardware portion to convert the data collection and then transfer to the upper layer, which is the trap server and flex all information. And that information is what we call is using a SNMC version 3 is secure network protocol that basically everybody has. And then TCP/IP, and then do all the network and data manipulation.
And how are the customers reacting to it? So do you seen a lot of feedback? At this moment, everybody sees, wow, this is so extremely advanced. Yes. And we are heading the modern technologies for AI. This is transport network. If you send a signal out, you have to go through. And then the transport network is the functionality. And then after that, finally, we can use the computer, use the software to manipulate, manage the data, and that goes to CPU, GPU, XPU, and a memory, and a computer program. That's for productivity of the AI. Yeah, the circle goes a loop, and it gives you back. So this is how it's designed. Do people get it when they get go? Do they understand what this can do, or is there a process you have to talk through to sort of demonstrate, beyond the theory?
Absolutely, Mark, because people say trust or verify. We took this equipment into the real live network, and the response was still curious because it's very reliable. It tells you exactly what it is. Yeah. Nobody to this moment in the industry, nobody has done is the ODM network sense. Everybody knows the transmitter, receiver, they do equipment, all those beautiful company, they know the transceiver monitoring. But just like you can design a very beautiful car, but once it hits the road, the pothole, everything, you don't know. But we can tell you every single piece of the network.
Yeah. How quickly can people using it see the impact?
The optical patch panel is needed. No matter what you do.
Yeah.
You also have to patch it through. But they can switch the traditional lifeless patch panel into this energized, brain-driven patch panel. Yeah. Then the entire network is like spyware. Each point, each section will be censored.
I mean, there's so much bugs out there. I mean, you could feel it around the floor here. In terms of, your predictions for what we should be excited about in the coming year, have you got anything you could share with us? What are you working on next? Are you prepared to tell us? But more generally, how is the market to you?
First is taking care of the existing network. That means you have the network maintenance, you have the network provisioning, yeah, you have network surveillance, all this good stuff. And that is not in place. Second is the AI fully increment into the ODM is not there. That will speed it up with this technology. Finally, we can do many more is because we can put this application into the user interface just like your ChatGPT, just like your iPhone, but in the intranet, because this has security. Nobody want to share this in the royal basic. But let's say if this is one of the company A, they can put onto their intranet employee, they can do, this section, let's say West Virginia, how is our network looks like? Boom, right away, comes up.
It's it's really interesting. I mean, we speak to many people, but I think, in reality, what you're trying to present here is something genuinely quite innovative. I think the market's going to be very excited. I'm looking forward to seeing how this plays out over the next 2 or 3 days. Thank you, David. I think it really